Attention! Are you ready to build a full wellness business? Even if you have zero experience. Imagine launching a complete health and wellness website, courses, meal plans, and ebooks, all with just one keyword. That is exactly what this tool gives you. Build wellness sites, recipe books, diet plans, yoga routines, marketing content, instantly and on autopilot. No coding, no writing, no design skills needed. You just type a keyword, click, and everything is done. You can create diet plans, recipe ebooks, fitness, or meditation courses, wellness guides, and package them to sell. You get your own wellness academy website ready to attract clients with payment, delivery, and customer management built in. You keep 100% of profits because you own the site and sell directly to customers worldwide. You can even build multiple niche sites: weight loss, yoga, nutrition, mental wellness, kids wellness, anything you choose. If you want to start your own wellness brand, save time and money, and skip all the technical hassle, this tool does it for you. Click the link in the description and find out more. Your own wellness empire could be just minutes away.